Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Open Teamviewer on your computer or mobile and ask the remote user to launch Quick Support or Host. Once they show you the numeric ID, enter that ID into your Teamviewer client. Make sure you and the remote device both have stable internet. If prompted, approve permissions for screen sharing and remote input. These are essential because without the ID and permissions, you can't proceed to authentication and control. Once connected to the ID, you must authenticate. Click Connect and send the request. The remote user will receive a prompt. Have them accept and choose whether to grant full control or view only. If the app uses a session password or one-time access code, enter it now. Make sure to read the prompt aloud so the user can confirm. After acceptance, wait while the channel negotiates encryption and permissions. This step finalizes secure control so you can interact with the device. You finish by using the toolbar to control, transfer files, or chat. Make sure to end the session when done so the remote user's privacy is restored. Once finished, verify any transferred files open correctly on both sides. If things go wrong, first confirm network connectivity and that both devices run compatible Teamviewer versions, then re-enter the ID and password. If issues persist, ask the user to restart the app or device. Often a simple reboot clears sockets and permissions and restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.